Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abu Bakar, and today we will learn how to implement the adder and subtractor circuits. Today we will learn logic circuits of half adder and half subtractor, full adder and full subtractor. Verify the and also verify the circuits on Proteus. First, we need to know what is a half adder. A half adder can be adds two binary digits called as augment and addend and produces two outputs as sum and carry. XOR is applied to both inputs to produce sum, and AND gate is applied to both inputs to produce carry. While the full adder adds three 1-bit numbers, where two can be referred to as operands and one can be referred to as bit carried in, and produces 2-bit output, and these can be referred to as output, carry, and sum. The full adder is difficult to implement than a half adder. The difference between a half adder and a full adder is that the full adder has three inputs and two outputs, whereas half adder has only two outputs and two inputs and two outputs. The first two inputs are A and B, and the third input is an input carry as C in. When a full adder logic is designed, you string 8 of them together to create a byte-wide adder and cascade the carry bit from one adder to the next. Half subtractor used for subtracting one single bit binary digit from another single bit binary digit. The truth table of half subtractor is here shown. In case of full subtractor, it is a circuit which is used for subtracting three single bit binary digit. The truth table is as follows. We can see that when the difference between 1 and 1, the borrow will have to borrow 1, as well as when the difference is between 0 minus 1, we will also have to borrow 1, and we will also have a difference called 1. Similarly, these are the logic circuits we are going to implement on Proteus. Now we'll see how to implement this circuit on Proteus. Let's see the truth table of half adder, and you can see that bubbles are 1, then the output are 1. But if we have a larger number which gives us carry, that is 1 plus 1 gives us 11, which comes with an carry with a carry called 1. Let's see. So this is our circuit for half adder. Let's run the simulation. So this is 0 0 resulting in 0. So any of these if are 1, then our output will be 1. So if the output is 11, then we'll have a carry. Similarly for a half subtractor, you can see that 1 minus 0 gives us 1, 1 minus 1 will give us 0, while 0 minus 1 will give us we'll have to borrow 1 from the next bit, and the difference will give us 1, and the borrow will also be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. You can see 0 minus 1 gives us the difference 1, and borrow will also be 1. Now let's see the truth table of full adder. Let's check the output 111 and 110. So this is the output of 111, which gives us a sum and a carry. So this is the output of 11, which also gives us carry. Now you can see the difference between half adder and full adder, that how they both work. Let's see for the full subtractor. We'll check let's say 100 and 011. These 100 and 011. 011. So the difference is 1. Here you can see the difference is 1. And for 101, 1 0 1, you can see the output is 0 0. Output is 0 0. So I hope that this will be enough for understanding the added and subtractive circuits for today's lab. Thank you. Jazakallah.